Hello everyone. So today we are here to learn what is data science. Data science is the study of data to extract meaningful insight for businesses. It is a multidisciplinary approach that combines principles and practices from the field of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering to analyze large amounts of data. This analysis helps data scientists to ask and answer questions like what happened, why it happened, what will happen, and what can be done with the results. So our next topic is about why is data science important. Data is important because it's combined tools, methods, and technology to generate meaning from data. Modern, organi- Modern organizations are inundated with data. There is a proliferation of devices that can automatically collect and store information. Online systems and payment portals capture more data in the field of e-commerce, medicines, finance, and every other aspect of human life. We have text, audio, video, and image data available in vast quantities. Future of data science. AI and machine learning innovations have made data processing faster and more efficient. Industry demands has created an ecosystem of courses, degrees, and job positions within the field of data science. Because of the cross-functional skill sets and expertise required, data science show strong project growth over the upcoming decades. What is data science used for? Data science is used to study data in four main ways. First is descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis examining data to gain insight into what happened or what is happening in the data environment. It is characterized by the data visualization such as pie chart, bar chart, line chart, tables, and generated narratives. For example, a flight booking service may require data like the number of tickets booked each day. Descriptive analysis will reveal booking spike, booking slumps, and high performing months for these services. The next one and the second one is diagnostics analysis. What do you mean by diagnostics analysis? Diagno- Diagnostics analysis is a deep dive or detailed data examination to understand why something happened. It is characterized by the techniques such as drill down, data discovery, data mining, and correlations. Multiple data operation and transformation may be performed on a given data set to be discovered unique pattern in each of these techniques. For example, the flight service sorry the flight the flight service might drill down on a particular high performing month to better understand the booking spike. This this may lead to the discovery that make customer visit a particular city to attend a monthly sporting event. The third one is predictive analysis. Predictive analysis uses historical data to make accurate forecasting about data patterns that may occur in the future. It is characterized by techniques such as machine learning, forecasting, pattern matching, and predictive modeling. In each of these techniques, computers are trained to reverse engineer causality connection in the data. For example, the flight service team might use data science to predict flight booking pattern for the upcoming year at the start of each year. The computer program or algorithm may look at past data and predict booking spikes for certain destination in May, having anticipated their customers' future travelers' requirements. The company could start targeted advertising for those cities from February. The last one is prescriptive analysis. What do you mean by prescriptive analysis? Prescriptive analysis take predictive data to the next level. It not only predicts what is likely to happen, but also suggests an optimum response to that outcome. It can analyze the potential implications of different choices and recommend the best course of action. It uses graph analysis, simulation, complex event processing, neural network, and recommendation engines from machine learning. Back to the flight booking example, prescriptive analysis could look at historical marketing campaign to maximize the advantage of upcoming booking spike. And data scientists could project booking outcomes from four different level of marketing spend on a various marketing channel. These data forecasting would give the flight booking company greater confidence in their marketing decision. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.